I'm Chris.
I'm Kristen, and we are Keto in the Country. This is your channel for a smart, healthy, whole food approach to keto.
And today's 2 for Tuesday. Upon request, we did cauliflower today, and it turned out spectacular. Holy moly.
Have you tried this one? With the olive oil? It absorbs the olive oil so well.
Ooh. So today's 2 for Tuesday was cauliflower, which might seem a little boring, but
Cauliflower is not boring. Cauliflower is so versatile. You can use it as a side dish, you can make pizza out of it, or gnocchis, and that's what we're making today.
So who goes first? Oh, first, welcome to our channel. If this is your first time visiting us, thank you and welcome. If you're one of our followers,
thank you so much.
You'll notice my hair is a different color too. I have red hair. Which is great. Okay, other than that,
we're really excited about these recipes today. Both of us wanted to try something really different. And
you get tired of cauliflower, especially if you're on keto. It's like, God, no more cauliflower.
Right, you have to mix it up.
But it fulfills that need for a starch. You can try to make it into a comfort food if you're missing potatoes and
rice. Today well, a lot of people use it in cauliflower rice. Actually, Kristi has an amazing Italian cauliflower rice recipe and video, so be sure to check that out.
Yes.
I love to make fried rice out of mine, but today, like Kristi said, potatoes, I haven't really thought about how it can be used in different potato dishes, and your dish today is so unusual and cool. We're so excited to show you.
And if you like them, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the little bell right beside it so you'll get our recipes. So I'll go first this time.
Yes.
And here's my gnocchi. So that's all there is to it. Now you don't have to put them in the pan. If you want to, you can just boil them and it's just good. I just wanted a nice buttery crisp finish to my gnocchi.
Yeah, it has like a nice brown golden color to it.
Yeah. Okay, so now it's your turn.
Okay, I'm gonna be making a cauliflower crust pizza. I am so excited about it, about both of these dishes really, because they're both things that I miss. Yeah. And I'm not the biggest fan of fathead dough. It's not that I don't like it.
It has its place.
Yes,
but
it does.
It's so laden with cheese.
Right, and this is not cheesy. I think they'll be really surprised with the ingredients in both recipes. I used frozen cauliflower. I read a lot of recipes and they said that either could work, fresh or frozen. But I went for the frozen just for fun, just because I think it's easy for a lot of people to pick it up. And
it's practical.
Super easy to work with. But you'll be surprised by the amount of water that it holds. So what I did was I went ahead and I thawed it out, then I strained it, then put it in the food processor, strained it again. I couldn't believe how much liquid was coming out. And then when I finally unwrapped it from the cheesecloth, the dough already was beautiful.
It looked like a dough.
It did.
I started poking it. It's like,
I know. I was like, do I even add an egg? But yes, I added an egg and then some goat cheese and salt and then herbs. I put a ton of herbs in mine just because I like it. You can use dried Italian seasoning if you'd prefer, but fresh is always better in our book.
We're all about the fresh.
And just to add like a little extra something, I really wanted to throw some roasted garlic in there. So I just cut the top off of the garlic and that's how I added the garlic. But you could totally use garlic powder if you wanted to. So then I topped it with everything that I like the most. And
which are all the delicious things.
Yes. So we're gonna go ahead and show you how I did that. So because we couldn't keep our hands out of each other's dishes, we've already tasted it, but we are gonna taste it again on camera. It's been at least like 30 minutes since we've had our last bite, so you'll probably get a true reaction anyways.
Both of them are so good.
So good. I'll go first.
Okay.
This is Kristi's gnocchi. Now she drizzled olive oil on it and Parmesan cheese. Is there salt too?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, the natural flavor of it just by itself is so incredible. I'll tell you after I try.
Now you can do your fake testing.
So the funny thing is, like, it doesn't even taste like cauliflower.
It doesn't.
I don't taste cauliflower in this at all.
So if you've been doing keto, you're sick of cauliflower gnocchi is something to try.
Yes, and like it totally absorbs the flavor. Like this is definitely gonna be something that I probably try again.
Oh, definitely.
With marinara sauce.
Yeah, we're doing this again.
With a cream sauce. I mean,
yeah.
Now the options.
Pesto would be really good.
Would be
homemade
delicious.
pesto.
Oh.
That's the video we need to do. Homemade pesto. Okay, now this is the pizza. And it's topped with the caramelized onions, the goat cheese, some roasted tomatoes.
Yes.
It is really good. I think the goat cheese and the crust makes a little bit of a difference.
It does.
And again, it's not fathead dough. It's cauliflower crust. It's delicious.
Yes, and this is the roast. Like, so what I'm probably going to do is take a piece of pizza and put our roasted garlic on it.
And look how sturdy.
Yes, it doesn't fall apart.
Yeah.
I mean, the things that are hanging are just cheese and onions. So I think that both these dishes were a hit. Like, I know that you're gonna take some, she's going on a trip tomorrow. She'll probably take both of these. They will definitely travel well. They'll be great for leftovers, and we really think that you're gonna like them.
We hope so. Let us know if you love this recipe, or if you like the idea of healthy, whole food, clean, smart keto. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the little bell. You'll get notified every time we come out with a new recipe.
Yes, and thank you so much for joining us today. Again, thank you to our subscribers. We adore you, and we look so forward to your feedback. We hope that you will be back again to visit us. So we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye. It absorbs the flavor of the olive oil. And I love this. Like this. Good.
That one might need a little editing.
Yeah, when I was like, options.
Edit out the stupid cap.
Okay, done. You wanna